Hey folks, again today showers in the eastern part of the valley, then a few sprinkles out in the west, and that was about it. Things have gone quiet across the region again tonight. A little spin up here. There's an upward disturbance kind of sitting on top of us, that helping to trigger the isolated showers, even thunder showers today. If you watch Future Track overnight, it's pretty quiet. During the daytime tomorrow, there'll be an isolated shower or two, but most areas tomorrow will likely stay rain free. We're looking at about a 20% probability of a shower tomorrow. And look at Thursday. The atmosphere really drying out. Showers are going to be hard to find on Thursday. It's a mainly dry day across the region. Then we go to Friday and things change a little bit. Look at the moisture pooling along the coast, then moving in during the afternoon. So we're bumping the chance of rain up just a little bit for Friday afternoon. Goes up even more by the time we get to Saturday. So tomorrow, about a 20% chance for an isolated shower on the sea breeze. Most of the day is dry on Thursday, and then Friday up to a 30%, just scattered stuff. Probably a little more active than what it was today. Big picture over Texas shows not a whole lot happening. We've got some stuff right up to the north of Dallas. Scattered storms out in West Texas. That's about it. The ridge holding. Here's this tropical disturbance. It's moving westward, and I think that is going to probably stay going westward. Hurricane Center is only giving it a 20% chance of developing, but it bears watch and will continue to do that. Regardless, it goes to the west, and as it goes to the west, it feeds moisture up towards South Texas. And I think as we get into Saturday and Sunday in particular, that moisture feeds in. That's what gives us that enhanced chance of showers over the weekend. This is the system right over here. Hurricane Center again gives it a 20% chance of developing the next 5 days, but the movement's mainly off to the west southwest. Not all that impressive at the moment. This a little more impressive. This is Karen, Tropical Storm Karen. Winds are 45 miles per hour, moving to the north-northeast at 14 right now. It's now to the northeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and continuing to move away. That's good for a while, but look what happens by the time we get to the weekend. It stops, it goes east, it goes south, it goes west. Ultimately, it's going to go westward, we believe, and head toward perhaps the northern Bahamas and South Florida. Who knows what strength it'll be by that point, but it bears watch. Jerry moving away, and then there's Lorenzo out in the far eastern Atlantic. Lorenzo's moving off to the west, will probably become a hurricane tomorrow and turn off to the north and eventually end up out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Probably not a threat to any landmass anytime soon, but it probably will be a hurricane. Tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, 76 for a low, southeasterly winds. Tomorrow, back up to 95 with an isolated shower in a couple of spots. Most of the day will be dry. Your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days looks like this. Not a whole lot of change. Temperatures stay in the mid-90s all the way through the forecast period. Nighttime lows actually come up. We're looking at about 80 or so Sunday into Monday for lows, and every day the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Probably the driest day, if any, would be Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday, probably the best chance at about 40% for those days. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Hey, Erica.